Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
We all have heard about artificial intelligence and it is very popular nowadays, but do you know the reason why? If your answer is no, then you are watching the right video. In this video, we will discuss artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence basically? AI refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. It involves creating algorithms and models that enable machines to understand, reason, learn. You all know there are different types of AI. They are narrow AI, general AI, superintelligent AI, machine learning, ML, deep learning, reinforcement learning, natural language processing, NLP, computer vision. Artificial intelligence, AI, offers numerous benefits across various domains and industries. Some of the advantages of AI: automation. AI enables automation of repetitive and mundane tasks, allowing humans to focus on more complex and creative work. This increases productivity and efficiency while reducing errors. Decision-making. AI can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make data-driven decisions more accurately and quickly than humans. This capability is particularly valuable in fields such as finance, healthcare, and logistics. Improved efficiency. AI systems can optimize processes and operations, leading to improved efficiency. For example, in manufacturing, AI can optimize production schedules, predict maintenance needs, and reduce downtime. Personalization. AI algorithms can analyze user data and provide personalized recommendations or experiences. This is seen in applications like personalized marketing, content recommendations, and tailored healthcare treatments. Enhanced customer experiences. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can provide personalized and instant support to customers, improving overall customer satisfaction. Natural language processing, NLP capabilities, enable chatbots to understand and respond to customer queries effectively. Advanced analytics. AI can process large datasets and identify trends, correlations, and insights that may not be immediately apparent to humans. This helps businesses make data-driven decisions, identify opportunities, and predict outcomes. Improved safety and security. AI can enhance safety and security in various domains. For instance, in cybersecurity, AI algorithms can detect and respond to threats in real time, identifying patterns and anomalies that may indicate a cyber attack. Healthcare advancements. AI has the potential to revolutionize healthcare by assisting in diagnostics, drug discovery, personalized treatment plans, and remote patient monitoring. It can also analyze medical images and scans for early detection of diseases. Autonomous systems. AI enables the development of autonomous vehicles, drones, and robots, which can perform tasks in hazardous or challenging environments, reducing human risk and increasing efficiency. Scientific research. AI algorithms can analyze complex scientific data, accelerate research, and assist in areas such as genomics, drug discovery. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe for more such videos.